Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about your soft foliage, the asparagus family, Dysplexus or springeri, Ming fern, tree fern, plumosa, all of those. You know how they shed, they dry out, dehydrate, they get messy? The pros know. If you use Pixie Sparkle, it's a glue-like substance, white, milky. Dilute it. Mix it with cool water. You don't want it to be ice cold, but you don't want it to be warm either. So kind of room temperature. Mix it up. Then just carefully take each thing, dip it in, let it drip, set it to drain. Do that with all of it. And it kind of mushes it together at first, but as it dries out, it fluffs right back out. So it doesn't make it a mess, doesn't mat it down, and it won't show. It dries clear. Then once it's drained, take it, store it in a plastic bag. Just put it in the bag, pull it up tight, and set it in the flower cooler, and it will last for weeks. Now you know how the pros do it.